Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be talking about the latest software update which has been come on the POCO X3 device. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using the POCO X3 smartphone. So recently I did receive the update, and most of the users you may be able to receive this update before I did receive. But the main thing of this update is that I'm really worried about the battery draining issues, and the other thing is that signal problem. So I did a video on that one as well, friends, in terms of the low signal issues. So in case if you're one of the user who is facing that kind of problem with the low signal issues, so make sure to check these videos on the speed test comparison between the POCO X3 versus other smartphones. I did a video side-by-side comparison with the Mi10i, so where you can easily differentiate the 4G or low signal problem network issue. So I'm really concerned about this network issue was the first priority, and next is the battery draining issue which is going on in the POCO X3. So the POCO X3 has a 6000 mAh of battery, but still after I'm not sure when the battery issue started, maybe on the third update I think so. From then to till now I did face a couple of battery draining problems. So maybe the battery draining issue might get fixed with the update, but signal problem I'm not sure whether it will get fixed or not with this kind of update. But let me quickly show you what is the version I am getting and what is the size of the update as well. So this is MIUI version 12.0.7, so which I have received just now, and the size is of 334 MB. You can see, friend, the size 334 MB. And let me try to quickly show you the what's new as well. So let's see what's new here. So maybe it has got only one security feature, I think. So it says the optimized system performance and the improved system security and the stability in this POCO X3 device. So apart from that, there is no other information regarding the new update which is available right now. So first I'll try to download this update, and immediately I'll try to test using the 4G SIM card in this POCO X3. So I'll try to see whether is there any difference in terms of the 4G signal internet booster or not in this POCO X3. I'll make sure to check that as well, and even I'll be checking the battery draining problem as well. So I'll try to use the phone for the couple of days, and I'll let you know what's going on with the battery as well in this POCO X3 smartphone. So in case if you are having any other doubts regarding the POCO X3, don't forget to check the links in description, friends, on the POCO X3, so which I have uploaded so many videos already on the POCO X3 smartphone. So that's it for this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye.